In this evening's health report, Shemala Pullen looks at gallstones in children.
The gallbladder is a small organ located under the liver that stores bile, a fluid that helps digest fats. Gallstones are small, hard deposits that form in the gallbladder. Gallstones in children are less common than in adults. Premature babies and children who cannot eat for long periods are at higher risk. Serious illnesses, blood infections, and intestinal problems can also lead to gallstone formation.
So there's prolonged starvation pretty much in any age range, but for the pediatric age group, that's a very significant predisposing factor. Patients that are very unwell, they have infections in the blood, and where the intestine itself has not been working for a long time, those patients are at high risk for it.
Gallstones are usually diagnosed with an ultrasound scan and sometimes an MRI.
Now, the presentation of the patient depends on where the stone is. And most stones will cause what we call acute cholecystitis, where the gallbladder itself becomes inflamed simply because the drainage from the gallbladder is blocked. The bile that's inside the gallbladder now becomes infected and lead to inflammation of the gallbladder. So usually there's a low-grade fever, there's pain, typically in the right upper side of the belly, and there's also presence of poor appetite.
Prevention includes avoiding prolonged fasting and managing underlying illnesses. Treatment may involve monitoring or surgical removal of the gallbladder if symptoms develop.
The surgery is usually for removal of the gallbladder, either through open techniques or more increasingly popular and is the gold standard, in fact, for adult patients, is to do laparoscopic or keyhole surgery and removal of the gallbladder. Once a gallbladder is removed, the likelihood of forming other stones, it's not zero, but certainly is far less, and most patients will live healthy, happy lives thereafter without the risk of stone recurrence.
With your health report, I'm Shemala Pullen wishing you good health.